Hi, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also press the bell button so that you never miss any update from me. Also do not forget to like, comment and share with your friends. I want to be clear in this information that when you click the bell button, there is a new option called personalized, all and none. So whenever you click the bell icon, you will see these three options. In that option, click all, and then only you will get all the notifications from me, from Bewidshree. Okay, so lately I'm seeing lot of people, they are complaining that they don't get notified. So this is the thing. You should be careful now. Just go to your that bell button and change the option. So please guys, be careful whenever you subscribe. Namaskar, namaste and hello to everybody out there. Welcome back to my channel Bewidshree, and I'm SHYAMASREE. So after a week break, I am here again, and I have asked you a lot of people whether what you all want to see, and like a lot of people have told me that they want to see this my go-to everyday makeup look. I have done that previous. Also I have many video which is targeted to everyday makeup look, but still I have again come up with this. I hope you will be liking it, and keep on watching the video till the end. Anyways, without talking too much, let's get started. Excuse all my marks on my face, and so we are going to start with my favorite thing, that is LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer, and this is in the shade Pure Beige, which is my own base color. So this is my go-to product when I'm going out anywhere. I just need this main thing. Okay, so I don't use any base on a regular basis. So first of all, okay, I took out a little bit more than what I need, but I'm going to manage this up to not worry. Okay, so one thing which you should be careful about this concealer is that it dries up pretty fast. I'll quickly blend everything. I'm also applying it on my, the rest, the thing which is left on my fingers. So you can already see the difference, without this concealer and now when I have applied this concealer, it's a huge difference, and you don't have to apply any other base for regular basis. One more thing guys, what happens is that whenever I wake up, I have repeated this many a times, I'm again repeating, whenever I brush my teeth, I do my skincare, and that is why most of the time I just start off with the makeup and I forget to show you what I apply in the first when I wake up. So I just do my cleaning, toning, moisturizing, and I use Royal Homemade products, which has the moisturizers itself is like kind of acts as a primer as well. If you don't know about Royal Homemade products, I will give you the link of their page down in the description box. Please do check it. Their skincare is basically homemade. Okay, really amazing products. So yeah, you can check out their skincare products as well. I have been using it for 2 years. You know what's the drill is. It's before you start off with your makeup, you should be prepping your skin. It is very important. And also, do not, in the daytime if you are going out, please do not forget your sunscreen, please, and always use the sunscreen after your moisturizer. Okay, And now let's come back to eyebrow. My hands reach out to this baby. This is Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in the shade brown. So okay, so now I'm using this pencil, and we'll be just brushing off, nothing too much. We'll be just filling up the sparse areas. If you can see the difference here, I have, this is my, without any product, this is just few strokes of this pencil, okay, and I am not doing anything very dramatic. So this is what I do for regular basis. I just cover up my sparse areas because I don't have good eyebrows. My eyebrow hairs are also not so much thick, so I have to fill up the sparse areas. Those who are blessed with thick brows, you don't have to apply anything.
You are blessed, my sister, you are blessed.
If someone is applying concealer, then you have to set it with powder, right? So I'm also doing the same, redoing and repatting my concealer so that there are no creases, and then I will be using the powder to set my under eyes. And to set the powder, I'm using this NYX Stay Matte but Not Flat powder. Okay, this is a powder foundation. This is a little heavy, but then currently I don't have any kind of loose powder with me, so I have been using this lately. And I have kind of the ozone oily, and not too much on the cheeks though. So but still I just try to set my under eyes, and which I love doing and love applying is blush. For me, it is, whether it is summer, whether it's whether it is autumn or winter, I just love applying blush.
I cannot go out without this.
So I'm using this blush. This is Maybelline Cheeky Glow. I've recommended a lot of my friends this blush. This is in the shade Peachy Sweetie, so you will find it in Nika. So there should be colors on my cheeks. For daily makeup, I don't use much of, I don't use at all the contouring I don't do for a daily makeup, but yes, I don't forget my blush. But if you want, you people can of course contour a little bit if you want, but I don't do it usually. So I am not doing it now because I have told you that I will be doing my go-to everyday makeup look, so I don't want to cheat. Yes, the next thing I do is I apply a little bit of highlighter. You set your face and all this, so your face becomes a little bit of matte. So and my face is not too much dry, right? So there are a little bit of shine here and there. So naturally, if you can see, the light strikes over here, right? So that is where you need to highlight. Okay. So this is without highlighter, this is with highlighter. Love bringing back the glow on my face, but I don't do it too much because when you will be out, automatically you will start sweating again, and again it will become too much of, if it shines more, it becomes too much, it becomes too much of oily. That doesn't look good, right? It's done. Now for the eyes, I mainly like this kind of nude eyes. I don't want too much of things going on my eyes. Instead what I do some of the times, love applying the blush itself and on the crease right here, okay, to give that little bit of color on the eyes and just on the crease with my fingers. So nothing too dramatic, but again something is there but not too much. The second last thing is mascara, and I swear by this mascara. Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and personally I don't love spending too much on mascara because mascara tends to get, I mean, it is not recommended if recommended using mascara like more than 4-5 months. I still do it like 6 months. I am আরে বাবা ভীষণ কষ্ট হয় 4 মাস পর mascara ফেলে দিলে. Don't want to buy too much of expensive mascara, so Maybelline Lash Sensational is for me and also for those girls who believe same like me. You can obviously wear your kajal, it's up to you. And the last thing is my lipstick. First let me wear my lipstick and then I'm gonna show you which one I'm using. I am done. So what I use on my lips today is নামটা উঠেই গেছে, Wet n Wild Catsuit Mega Last, maybe the name is, and the shade is Give Me Mocha. So it's like a brown toned, brown and pink, but more of brown, less of pink. After I have applied, your skin, I have just smudged it so that it doesn't look too much of liquid lipstick thing, and it's more natural. Now on top of that you can wear your lip gloss or something, or if you don't want, you can carry out the whole look like this. Of course it's hot, so you need to also apply the makeup setting spray. So I'm using the NYX Dewy setting spray. So now we are ready to go out. This is my go-to everyday look. This is my go-to everyday look. Do give it a big thumbs up and comment down below you liked it or not. Let me know what all you want to see next, and I will see you next Tuesday with another video. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, support my channel. Okay, so I'll see you next Tuesday. Till then, stay happy, stay well, and do not forget the 3 L's of my life: live and let live, love and share love, and laugh make others laugh. Bye and take care.